In April, React 19 released a blog about the upcoming React 19 changes. Those React 19 changes aren't actually ready yet. They aren't in an official stable release. However, by downloading and installing React 19 RC, you can use the latest changes already. This blog summarizes all the features that they'll be releasing, but just a quick summary of that. They were mainly the new hooks that will make it easier to work with form state, and the other major one, the React compiler, which will essentially optimize your code. So instead of having to manually set up use memo, use callback, and those sort of optimization hooks to ensure that only what needs to be re-rendered re-renders when changes are made on your application, the compiler will handle all of that and optimize your code. But because we can't just say npm install React 19 or React latest, you actually have to clear the terminal, install the specific React RC version. So we do save exact React RC and React DOM RC. You're just using React, that's fine, that is everything you need to do. However, if you're using TypeScript, we also need to update the types React and the types React DOM here as well, which we can do so like this: npm types -react at rc, and then similar down here, so npm types -react DOM at rc. If we go down to the bottom of our package JSON, we also need to add in overrides to explain those types. So if I do at types -react, if I can spell types right, at types react, and then we'll also need one for at types -react DOM, and again we're just going to put in npm types react at rc and npm types react DOM at rc. And that's it. This is really as simple as that. Everything is running, everything is starting up, as you'd expect a React app to do. That's how you add React 19 RC to an existing React project. I'm going to quickly go over the setup for if you had a blank canvas, you haven't got a React app to add React 19 to. This is how you would go about it. So first up, we're here in the terminal. I'll enter npx create react app, and I want that to be in this directory, and I'm going to use TypeScript as well. And so out of the box, create React app has used yarn, so we're going to do a yarn add exact, and then React RC, React DOM RC. Let's head on over to our package JSON. Just like before, because we're using TypeScript, we need to update our versions here. So and add npm types -react at rc, and similar for the React DOM, npm types react DOM at rc. And don't forget the overrides. That's down here. We're going to add overrides. Good. Formatting's going with at react. At types /react npm types react at rc at types /react DOM. Again, npm types react DOM rc. Alright, see if it loads up. Right, looks like that's finished loading up. Super. And then if I go over to Chrome, there we go, that's all working. It's as simple as that. that's how we can use React 19, even though it isn't stably released yet. But we can still use those features in our applications, in our existing projects, and also in a new project.